Okay, today we have a '09 Dodge Charger with 3.5. It had a misfire on cylinder 4, and in an attempt to fix the misfire, I replaced the coil and it fixed the misfire. But I checked the spark plug also, and when I pulled it out, this is what it looked like. So the video is about changing the spark plug. So without further ado, let me get started. My 8mm, loosen my clamp bolts. Pull that clip backwards and push it in to pull it out. And I like to get the air box completely out of the way. Got tabs. You got to push back with your thumb. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Okay, got it. Move the hose off. And that's the air box cover. Sit that down to the side. Air filter. A little dirty, might need changing some. So, got the two 10mm bolts here and here on the bracket for the throttle body. Over here, we disconnect this connector. Push it in. Let me get it off. Got that connector off. We have these two 10mm bolts on the bracket that hold to the intake manifold. We got to remove the intake for to get to the 3 spark plugs on this side. Let me get my 10mm. I like to use a wrench for them, but for these two over here. It's another bolt. It's supposed to be at the bottom, but someone already removed the other one. Supposed to be one down there, but someone already removed. So the bracket just coming right out the way. This connector. Good to have a mechanic peek nearby for with the connectors also. My 10mm wrench. Let's start on this side. Be careful not to drop the bolt. Okay, we'll have to loosen the bolt at the bottom also. I think it's a 15mm. But into the end, I can remove this connector, intake control runner valve or something like that. And have some hoses on the back of the throttle body. Put those out of place. So now we're gonna get out for the bolt loose on this side. We can start taking out the bolts in the middle. Okay, we got the bolt taking off on that bracket on that side. Now we're ready for the start and the bolts in the middle. And when you're doing this, be careful because the line is very brittle. When I removed it out the back of the intake manifold, it cracks. It's real easy. So come back with our 10mm. I like to start from the outside with my way in. Them, and I get you back on. Okay, got the intake manifold lifted on out of there. I went on and did that off camera because there's no way I could have did it with one hand. But here's the line I was saying. Now be careful with that big plastic line, very brittle. Especially after a certain amount of miles. I think this one has 206,000. And clean out the lit carbon out the EGR tube. I'll come back and get that. But back to the task at hand. Remove all the cord. Them down. I already have my plugs right here with the NSCs on the thick thread. So I'm about to start pulling them out one by one and replacing them. Okay, have all the old plugs removed here. You see they were in real bad shape. So what I'm gonna do next is just drop in the new ones, reverse the procedure, and get the new get the intake manifold back on, and it's a done deal. It's easy.